we're gonna do a taste challenge, and we have some Tootsie Fruit Chews, and there's cherry, there's lime, lemon, orange, and a surprise, a vanilla. So you guys are gonna cover your eyes.
This one. This is Little Brown Shop.
Let me see. Let me see it. Okay, cover your eyes. And I'm going to give you one to open, and you guys tell me what the flavor is. And whoever gets it right gets $1. Alright, so let's get started. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Can you guys see?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to see. No. Can you see?
I don't see.
Okay, close your eyes.
I see.
You ready? Here we go. Alright, there's one for you. There's one for you. Fill around. Tell me what flavor.
I know it's lemon.
Let's see. Lemon it is. What's yours, Naz? What's the flavor? Do you know it?
But the lemon is trash.
Okay, Maya, you got yours.
Got it.
Yours is vanilla. Does it taste like vanilla? That's your favorite. Okay, let's do the next one. Looking. Here you go.
Hey, where's it? I don't want strawberry.
Yours is orange? Nope. Okay, Naz, yours is lime, and yours is cherry, but you're pretty close. Okay, we got one more time. Flavors. Here we go.
I got it.
What flavor?
Vanilla. No, cherry. Cherry.
Nasir? Yeah, yours is cherry, but you looked at it.
Vanilla.
Nope.
Orange?
Yep, orange. Ding, 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 ding.
I want it.
We still got a couple more to taste.
Yes, I got it.
Next taste has... It's going to be a surprise. So you guys got to tell me. Oh, cover your eyes. Okay, ready? Close them.
Okay.
Got to tell me what flavor this is.
Where is it?
Right here. You have to close your eyes. What's wrong with it?
It's sour.
It's sour.
Those are sour.
What sour candy is it?
Sour gumbo.
What's the flavor though? Guess the flavor.
Sour. Oh, mine is sour lime.
Let's see here. Sour.
Green.
Well, let me see what color yours is.
Mine?
Yeah. Oh, yellow. Yep. Yellow.
Mine's red. And I don't want to taste this yucky.
Why?
Because
Is it sour?
I want to...
Is it sour?
Yes.
That's not sour, huh?
I'm out. Goodbye.
And the winner